Hello, this is Sean from netSec. Today we're going to go over our software tutorial number 2. And this tutorial is just a building upon the first tutorial, so you can go ahead and watch that one. If you're watching this one, this just builds upon it. We're just kind of storing the values in different places. Again, these are very, very, very simple crack me's. This is like 101 basic introduction to getting in there, kind of looking at the IL. Like the first tutorial level, we have a value which looks like we have to put in a password, and we have a check that's going on. So we're going to open up Reflector, drop executable in here, start taking a look at it. Personally, at least for the crack me's, I usually like to start at the entry point of the application and just kind of trace through. This works good for .NET crack me's and small programs or anything like that. Not so much for large programs, or for if you're doing x86 crack me's with Ollie. You have to be a little bit more surgical. You got a lot of stuff you got to wade through to get to those. So in this case, here's our entry point. See that this is normal one that comes from File New Windows Form App. So we go to our Form 1. Nothing special in our constructor there. And there's our button check. So we have a test here for the value in our text password field. And it's combining a resources.password and a data.password. That appears to be here. So we can take a look at this. That's a static constructor. So let's go to our static values. Let's go to static constructor. You see our value for that is 1A. So we'll go back here, and then we got a resource.password field. So we go down here and see all our properties in our resources section in a different namespace. It's 1P. You see the resource manager get string password. So the resource manager is actually going to look down here at resources. That is here. So 5USU plus our other one is which is 1A. So 5USU 1A. Should pass that test. There we go. And this was a real challenge level. So you can take this back to the netSec website, put it in there, and get your skill points for completing that challenge. So you can see here that this is basically tutorial 1, but the value's in a different spot. And if you're trying to approach the resources the same way you are as other codes, so you go down here and say, okay, well, where's this password value? I'm just kind of plugging around in here. You have to remember that the resource manager get string is going to call all the way out to this section, the resources section of your assembly. It's kind of just a different area. So here, this is where you can get in here and then see, oh, okay, he's got that value stored in the resources. This is where you go. Thanks for watching the video, and hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.